What's going on YouTube, it's Sean here and I'm super excited to give you guys my review of the Aimé Dore New Balance 990 V5. First off, before we begin this review, I just want to give a huge thank you over to the folks at New Balance Canada for sending me over this pair. So far on the date that I'm filming this video, they've only released online at Aimé Dore's website, but they're set for a wider worldwide release on November 22nd. So in this latest collab between ALD and New Balance, they released not only this V5 model, but also the New Balance 990 V2 as well. So the V2 was much more limited. I heard that was an ALD exclusive, whereas these 990 V5s are going to be available at other boutiques throughout the world. These guys retail for a price of $200 US or 260 Canadian dollars. So before we jump into the shoes, here's a quick look at the box. So these come in a special edition box. It's done in this navy blue color. We have the Aimé Dore branding on the very top in yellow. And then on the front, we have the label which has the code M990AL5. Inside the box on the back of the lid, we have this Made in USA branding. And then the paper itself is also special. We have Aimé Dore branding on it as well. So as for the shoes, this is the 990 V5, which is the latest version of the 990 model by New Balance. So diving straight in, the base layer of the sneaker is constructed using Dore nylon, which is a very tough and resilient material. This is done in this beautiful navy blue color, and we have these leather overlays as well, along with a hit of 3M at the edge of the toe box. Surrounding the outer edges of the toe box and wrapping around the quarter panel of the shoe as well, here we have this very regal looking pine green or forest green colored pig suede, which feels as expected very nice in quality. On the mid panel of both sides of the shoe, we have the New Balance N logo, which is done in this navy blue 3M finish. And then moving further down, here we have this TPU strip, which is done in this green color, and this adds additional structure and support to the sides of the shoe. And then as we move towards the back end of the shoe, here we have more of that green colored suede with 990 branding found on the lateral side. And then on the very center of the back heel, we have this Aimé Dore crest, which is again done in 3M. Hugging the very bottom of the back heel, we have this very small heel clip as well, which has the New Balance logo on the very back. And this again helps to add some additional structure and containment to the shoe. In terms of laces, so these come with two pairs of laces. The first pair is a navy blue colored lace, which I personally prefer. And then they also give you a secondary pair of sail or cream colored laces as well. Underneath the laces, we have your tongue, which is also constructed out of that Dore material in that same navy blue color. And stitched on the very top, we have that Made in USA jewel flag along with 990 V5 branding as well. Pulling out the insoles, so these come with a fleece-lined insole with the Aimé Dore branding stitched on the heel. So the upper of these 990 V5s sits atop this foam midsole, which is colored in white on the forefoot and cream on the back heel. Being a 990 V5, this shoe does incorporate end cap technology that consists of a softer foam in the middle, surrounded by a firmer carrier on the edges to give you that good balance between stability and comfort. Flipping these guys over to the bottom, so here we have your outsole, which consists of both gray and white colored rubber, and we have this New Balance branding found on the back heel. So in terms of sizing, my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and usually for New Balance shoes, I go with a size 10. For these guys, New Balance Canada sent me these in a size 10 and they fit me pretty well. So overall, I'd recommend sticking true to size, but if you are kind of in between sizes, then you might want to consider going to the lower size. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, so the 990 V5 is a very comfortable shoe. It's not going to feel super plush and squishy, but I really like how it gives you a good balance between ground feel and a very well cushioned ride. And to me, I feel like I can wear these all day without feeling any discomfort. If you're expecting a super chunky midsole with a very pillowy feel, then you might be disappointed. But overall, my personal opinion is I really love the feel on these OnFeet. Last but not least, from a quality standpoint, as with most New Balance shoes, I was very happy with the quality. The materials felt very nice in hand, and the craftsmanship on my pair was very nice. There was no visible glue stains, barely at all any loose stitching, and again, a very solidly made New Balance as expected. So with all that being said, now let me lace up these Aimé Dore 990 V5s and show you guys how these look on feet. Between this one and the 990 V2, I'll be honest with you guys, I do prefer the look and the colorway of the 990 V2. However, these V5s I feel are going to be very underrated. The color scheme on this shoe is very understated, and my initial thoughts about this shoe is a very Ralph Lauren polo feel to it. You can really dress this up if you want to, and overall it just has a very classy vibe. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this New Balance Aimé Dore 990 V5. Between this one and the V2, which of the two do you guys prefer? And do you guys plan on picking this up when they drop globally later this month? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on my Instagram at sgo8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Before I end this video, of course, one final shout out goes out to New Balance Canada for sending me over this pair. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video.